All right, good day, everyone. Today we are just going to do a review on the different stocks that we have done analysis on. Okay, I wanted to do the stock analysis on Access Bank today, and also I think May and Baker. But for now, I just wanted to do some review on some the stocks we have done before and see the ones that have actually made any move so that we can understand how our analysis and know how we are making progress. Okay, so we're going to start with the let's see the one I did yesterday. That is WAPCO. I did the analysis on this stock yesterday, WAPCO, and also drew the line for possible entry. Okay, as you can see, before I zoom in, there is momentum in the market given that the RSI is in overbought region. Uh, then we also have MFI, which is over, which is around 89.37, which is also a good one for the stock. It means that there's money in the stock, money flow. As you can see, the volume is trying to pick up gradually. So I'll just zoom this in. Okay. Remember, we are looking for a continuation trade. So what me I usually do is a continuation trade. I check for the candlestick that started the trend. Was there volume? No. If there was a volume of the candlestick that started the trend, then that is fine. Let's see. This is fifth, sixth. Okay, let's check fifth and sixth. Yeah, okay, you can see fifth and sixth there was massive volume in the market. So this is an uptrend. It hasn't gone down. It hasn't crossed the T line yet. To give another signal. So there's nothing happening here yet. There's nothing happening here yet. It hasn't entered our zone where we say if it's going to, can look at it now. It hasn't entered our zone. This is my circle here. If it enters here, then we should expect it to rebound. Or we wait for this our moving average to get caught up with it. And when it crosses the moving average, like how it did around here, crosses and goes up, and then crosses and goes up, that is another opportunity to buy, which is a continuous trade. So wait for that. Our next stock, the one I did before PRESCO, before WAPCO, was PRESCO. So PRESCO is also quiet. You can see there's momentum in the market. There's also money flow in the market. You can see the volume too. Volume is positive today, very positive volume. There's a good flow of volume in this market. However, it's still side trending. In the daily chart, it just means that let's check the let me see. Let's check the 4 hour chart. Okay, you can see that there was you can see there was a signal here, the 4 hour chart that actually took this stock up to this place. It's trended for a while here. The chart looks very chaotic. That's why I still prefer the daily charts. That one is a bit smoother. Okay, that is why this there's enough volume. As you can see, even though the money flow is looking down, but it's in 74.9, which is actually good. And then there's good volume here. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. And then there's momentum in the market. So that is okay. As you can see, the trend line that I drew here in this that I drew for the daily chart, actually the trend line that I drew for the daily chart actually um, follows even the 4 hour chart. Let's just go to 1 hour and see what happens or what happened there. Okay. Okay. The 1 hour chart is actually giving us a signal to for a buy. It's giving us a buy signal because it's close. It closed above our moving average. Close above our moving average. Let me see. Let me put thing, Bolliger Bands. Let's see what is Bolliger. Even Bolliger Bands to agrees to this confirmation. Okay. However, though there's no so much volume here, but we're not trading the 1 hour charts. We're just curious to see how far the stock performed in lower time frame. As you can see, the RSI is looking up, even money flow is looking up, which means that this our candle here will still go up based on volume in the market in the higher time frame. Okay, this is weekly, this is daily. So on a daily chart, there is still side trending. It's not going anywhere yet. So let me remove these polygon bands. Right. So this is okay. Our next stock is the one we have been doing. We started a channel with, which is CWG. CWG. Let's see what's happening there. You can remember when I did the CWG video. The last one I did was a review of CWG. As you can see, there's momentum in the market given where the position of RSI. There's momentum in the market. There's also money flow. Money flow is looking up and very strong and good. Volume is very happy. You can see volume is high across this our line. Okay. The last time I did the analysis, okay, this is analysis here. Analysis. The last time I did the analysis, I drew a circle here. Okay. Let me zoom in a bit. And this circle was actually another signal for another buy signal for CWG. Okay, so after a circle in 1, 2, 3, in 3 days, CWG went on a strong bull run and is still above our strong resistance and support line. So this is another opportunity for another bull run. So if you enter from here, from this our doja candlestick pattern, you would have enjoyed this bull run. Now CWG is at 21 naira. Okay, 21 naira. I started analysis in this place. Let me bring this thing down a bit. Started analysis here. If you have been following my videos, started analysis here. This small candlestick here that yeah. And as you can see, before the candlestick there was a candlestick pattern. which is the doji, you know, signaling a reversal. Okay, so after the year, it actually went up. Then this is another candlestick pattern. Then give this, that is the hammer candlestick pattern. Then this one that I put my circle now is the doji. Sorry, is the dragonfly candlestick pattern. So if you entered from here, it would have gone up. So that is just it for the review today. And if you have any stock that you are looking into and you would like me to do an analysis for you, you can technical analysis for the stock, given that the fundamentals for the stock is good. You can actually let me know. You can send me a message so I can actually reach out to you and then we discuss on the stock. So that is that for today. I think tomorrow we'll check out another stock. Given that the market is, if you see, if you look at, let's look at NSE, NSE all shares. You can look at NSE all shares. This the market is side trending, but it's not aggressively side trending like how we can see it here on the cross here. It went down very well. You can see the market has been up and doing well, up and good and doing well here. Even you can, it has even, okay, there's momentum in the market, so there's no cause for alarm. Investing in stock, we can still invest in stocks and also take our position and also wait for when the market will actually go up again. So yeah, that is that for today. I hope everyone enjoys their weekday as we approach weekend. Have a nice day.